my dear students. We hope that all of you are doing well. Today, we will begin with a new session. It is about rocks and minerals. Previously, we have learnt about land pollution and noise pollution. We learnt about the causes and effects of the different kinds of pollution. So let us all be more conscious to keep our environment safe. In today's session, let us learn about rocks, types of rocks, that is igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic rocks, and types of igneous rocks. Let us now learn the key words. First, molten. Something which has melted and changed to liquid due to heat. Second, magma, molten rock. Third, lava, molten magma that flows out onto the surface of the earth. Fourth, igneous rocks. Igneous rocks are formed by solidification of cooled magma. Fifth, sedimentary rocks. Rocks that are formed from deposits. Sixth, metamorphic rocks. Rocks that have changed their form over the time. Seventh, frothy, full of bubbles. Eighth, porous, having many pores. Ninth, wear away, cut away into small pieces. 10th, solidify, to make or become solid. Rocks. Rocks are all around us. You can see rocks in your yard, on the street and on the road. Pencil lead, chalk, bricks are all rocks. Our earth is made up of soil and rocks. Do you know that the sand and soil you see all around are made up of tiny pieces of rocks? Any natural mass of matter that makes up the surface of the earth is called a rock. We find layers of rocks under the soil and sand. When you observe a piece of rock with a magnifying glass, you find that it is made up of small grains. These small grains are minerals. Minerals are naturally present chemical compounds present in the earth. All rocks, the earth, are made up of minerals. Some rocks contain only one mineral, while others may contain many minerals. The different minerals in the rocks make different kinds of rock. Rocks can be of different size and color. The process that breaks rocks into fine particles because of the action of heat, pressure, etc. is called weathering. Rock is often covered by soil or water. It is beneath the oceans lakes, and rivers of the earth, and under the polar ice caps. Some rocks are very hard, easy to scratch, are crumbly, hold water, and some let water run through them. There are different types of rock, and all are used for different things. Some are man-made and others are natural. The scientific study of rocks is called petrology. Let us know the various types of rocks. Rocks on the earth are formed in different ways. On the basis of their formation, rocks are divided into three categories: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. Today, you will learn about igneous rocks. Let us study about igneous rocks. The earth can be divided into three layers: crust, mantle, and core. What we see as soil and mountains is only the surface of the earth, also called the crust. Underlying the crust is the mantle, and below that is the core. The center of the earth is made up of hot molten rock. Hot molten rock inside the earth is called magma. When a volcano erupts, this magma flows out onto the surface of the earth. The magma that reaches the surface of the earth is called lava. This lava cools down and later solidifies to form igneous rocks. The word igneous means fire. For example, Mount Rushmore is made up of igneous rocks. Types of igneous rocks. Igneous rocks are of different types depending on how the lava cools down. Different igneous rocks have different minerals and colors. Examples of igneous rocks are basalt, granite, pumice, and obsidian. Basalt. It is an igneous rock formed by rapid cooling of lava on the earth's surface. It is dense and dark in color and has fine grains. The edges of this rock are very sharp. These are also called scoria rocks. They are used in construction of buildings and in making statues. Granite. It is formed when magma cools below the earth's surface. The three main minerals in granite are quartz, feldspar, and mica. It is the most common igneous rock. It may be black, grey, white, or pink in color. The color of granite depends upon the content of its feldspar. It is very hard and therefore used for flooring of houses, making statues, and paving roads. Pumice. It is light grey or cream colored rock formed by the cooling of frothy, that is, full of bubbles, lava. It is the only rock that can float. It has many holes made by the air trapped inside it at the time of its formation. It is used as a scrubbing stone to remove rough dead skin from the body. Dentists use powdered pumice for polishing our teeth. Obsidian. It is formed by quick cooling of lava. It looks like a glass and is black or dark in color. Due to its sharp edges, it is used in making or cutting of jewelry. In this session, we have learnt about rocks, types of rocks, that is igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic rocks, and types of igneous rocks. Hope you were able to understand the concept well. Thank you for watching this video.